Gentlemen, welcome to lesson 2.8. It's the area of regular polygons. What we're going to be looking at is how do I figure out the area of any regular polygon? That's what we're going to be working on today. And by definition, a regular polygon simply means it has all congruent sides and congruent angle measures. Congruent means the same. So I think in my head, for me, it's that guy at the coffee shop that every morning he gets his coffee at 7 o'clock in the morning. Everything is the same. 3 spoonfuls of sugar, one spoonful or one little creamer, and then he's ready to go. That's every single day. The guy does the same thing. He's considered a regular customer. Okay, so a regular polygon is everything's the same. Same side measures, same angle measures, everything is the same. So let's take a look. We have here an 8-sided figure that we're going to say theoretically has the same angle measures throughout. Now, some of you guys are probably going to measure this and say, but Mr. Swords, it looks a little bit long for these diagonals. But for the sake of argument, we will say that these are all the same and that they look the same. And so this is an octagon. What we're going to do is we're going to see, well, how does this problem work? How do I figure out what our measure of our area is? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my GeoGebra. This is an application that you can use. And I'm going to make a triangle. So we see here we have a triangle here, and it's got a height of 3 and it's got a base of 2. So I'm going to write in there what my formula is over here. So we're going to do 1/2 base times height. Okay? Now, I want you to think, how many triangles are in that picture? So I'm going to pull that out, and we're going to go through this here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 triangles in an octagon that has 8 sides. I wonder if there's a connection there. So if I take my formula and I have 1/2 base times height, because they're all the same triangle, because it's a regular polygon and sides are the same, times 8 triangles, I'm going to get the area of this figure. So my base was 2, so 1/2 base times height, 2 times 3. That's going to give me 6 times 1/2 times 8, which is going to be 3 times 8, or 24 square units. Okay, if we were using centimeters, it'd be square centimeters. Now, this would work with every other type of polygon that's regular. Again, it has to be regular, meaning that it has same sides and same angles. So it would work for any type of regular. And so it works for all regular polygons with any side beyond 3. So sorry, triangles, we know your formula. We don't have to worry about you. But we have it for hexagons, pentagons, octagons, septagons, nonagons, decagons, and all those other agons that you would have for any type of problem that you would come into. So remember, what you would do is you would take, if I were to write a formula down, and you can write this down, it would be 1/2 the base times height times the number of sides, so S. Okay, so we take the 1/2 base times height, the number of regular triangles, that's our formula of one triangle, multiply it times how many triangles, which is also the same as our sides.